Hello friends, welcome back to Jackless Academy channel. Wish you very happy new year with all happiness and prosperities of life. A new flight towards new horizons. May God bless everyone. Today I am going to start physics topic work energy bar in brief, simple and easy way. Right? In brief, simple and easy way. Now see, here is very easy. Work is denoted by capital W and energy capital E and power capital P. First of all, you have to understand the characteristic difference between work energy and power. Here, when work is, suppose that if there is any object, right, and any external force F is exerted on it and it displaces the object, right, in the direction of force, then it is said that there is work done, right. It means work depends on two physical quantities, force and displacement, right, force and displacement. When any force is applied, then there will be displacement, and if it happens, then there is said to be work is done. Now, what is energy? Energy is only cause. You can say cause. This is cause to do work. Means this is cause. ये ऐसा cause, there may be cause motion, that is kinetic energy. There may be height, that is potential energy, or there may be both, that is mechanical energy, or there may be electricity. To do work, it means to produce these effects, force and displacement, then that is electrical energy. If heat is doing so, that is heat energy. It means energy is ability to do work. Ability to do work. Ability to do work or cause to do work. Very compact definition about energy. Now, what is power? Power is rate of doing work. Power is rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. It means whether it is work or energy. Per unit time, this type of calculation will go for power. Right? Now, I am telling you, work is really, in the language of physics, work is dot product of force and displacement. When there is dot product of vectors, here force is vector quantity, displacement is vector quantity. But when you will take dot product of these both vectors, then work will be a scalar quantity. Here work is scalar. And suppose that if force is applied, this one displacement direction and this is force direction, right. Here there is subtending theta I, right. Then there are few important cases where angle value of cos is given, right. When suppose that when theta is equal to 0 degree, it means the same direction, force and displacement both have same direction. Means the same line is the direction of force and the same line is the direction of displacement. Then theta is equal to 0 degree. In this case, then since cos 0 degree 0 degree is equal to 1. So W will be equal to F as cos 0 degree value 1. Here cos theta, cos 0 degree value 1 is equal to F into S simply, right? When theta is equal to 30 degree, since cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, then W is equal to F into S into cos 30 degree value root 3 by 2, then this will be root 3 by 2 of F and S, right? Now when theta is equal to 45 degree, since cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2, then obviously W will be equal to F into S, force into displacement into 1 by root 2. Here you can see 1 by root 2 of force, product of force and displacement. Now when theta is equal to 60 degree, since cos 60 degree value is equal to 1 by 2, then work will be equal to F into S, then cos 60 degree value 1 by 2, here you will write 1 by 2. This will be equal to half of Fs. Now when theta is equal to 90 degree, 90 degree means displacement, this is the direction of displacement and this is the direction of force. Here there is subtending 90 degree, right? Then since cos 90 degree is equal to 0, then implies that W will be equal to F into S into cos 90 degree value 0, this will be 0, right? Now when theta is equal to 180 degree, since cos 180 degree, this value is equal to minus 1, so W will be equal to F into S cos 180 degree value minus 1, this will be minus Fs. I think these 6 cases are very important to understand about the dot product of force and displacement when you define or calculate the work numerically or theoretically. Now come on, here we are saying when theta is equal to 0 degree, when force and displacement have the same direction, then work is here maximum, here work is maximum, this is maximum work, right? And when you are saying theta is equal to 60 degree, then this is half work, this is half work, right? And when theta is equal to 90 degree, when theta is equal to 90 degree, cos 90 value 0, then work is 0. Here work is 0. In case of pulley, you know, in case of pulley, they just when they lift their weight on their head, then direction of force is upward, but they go 90 degrees, subtending from the line of force, they go this way. Then it is said in physics, pulley does not do any work, right? Suppose that it is quite interesting if all the pulleys of the world make it known that they don't do any work, so they are not deserve any type of payment, then there will be strike all worldwide, right? Come on. When theta is equal to 180 degree, 180 degree means there is direction of force and displacement direction is this. Here is 180 degree, right? This is the direction of force and 180 degree. Here just opposite to direction of force, there is the displacement of the object. Then work will be minus Fs. It means it will be minimum. In case of this will be minimum. This will be minimum, right? Now, by this calculation, you can understand very well about the work. Now, this is energy. This is cause or ability to do work. Here I will discuss only mechanical energy. Mechanical energy, right? This is equal to potential energy. Potential energy plus kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. And in brief form, this is m dot E is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy, right? Now, here potential energy, energy due to height. Kinetic energy means energy due to motion. Means if suppose that there is height and stone is just kept at some height, then it can break by falling any object on the surface of the earth, right? Then it has ability to do work something. Now, in the same way, kinetic energy, energy due to motion. Suppose that a moving car can break the wall. It means it can do some work. Then this is known as kinetic energy. Here mechanical energy is algebraic sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is taking mgh and kinetic energy 1 by 2 m v square minus u square when initial velocity is given, right? V square minus u square, or you can say mgh plus 1 by 2 mv square when u is equal to 0, right? From where? Now see, first of all, kinetic energy. Here you know third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, then 2as is equal to v square minus u square, then as is equal to half of v square minus u square. Now go, you know work and energy are same, only work is when force and displacement directly given, and energy is the same work, they have same unit. Work is also measured in joule, energy is also measured in joule, right? But energy is only cause, that is working. Then work and energy are same. Then you know W is equal to F into S, force into displacement, and force is equal to mass into acceleration into displacement. Here AS value is means acceleration, displacement value is 1 by 2, then this will be m into 1 by 2 v square minus u square, right? And this can be written kinetic energy 1 by 2 m v square minus u square, as here it is given kinetic energy in this way. But suppose that when initial velocity is 0 of the object, then u will be 0, then it will come as a result 1 by 2 m v square, provided that when u is equal to 0, initial velocity is equal to 0. Then this is the derivation of kinetic energy. You are seeing very well here. Now about the potential energy I am showing. About the potential energy, here you know W is equal to F into S, force is equal to mass into acceleration into S, right? And you know, if there is height, suppose that this is ground and this is height, some stone is just kept at this h height, then here is energy due to height. It means falling on the surface of the earth, it can break any object, it can do something, it can do work. Then this is the potential energy. And you know, when there is height, then A is converted in small g, acceleration due to gravity, you know 9.8 meter per second square, and this displacement is converted into height. Now here clearly you are seeing mass and A at the place of E you will put small g, acceleration due to gravity, and at the place of displacement there will be height factor. Here clearly mgh you are seeing here potential energy, right? Then this is the derivation of potential energy, right? In this section I am just discussing about mechanical energy only. Now see power. What is power? I am showing you. Yes, I urgent request to everybody who have just come across this Jet Plus Academy channel. If they have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel and share it to maximum number so that maximum number can be benefited from this channel. And whatever needs and necessities or problems there is arisen, right? You can ask through message, and also I provide you my channel helpline number 70525700080. This is helpline number, right? And I am 24 hours ready just to solve your problem, just to cooperate with you. Now, here is work. Here is power. What is power? This is the rate of doing work or rate of energy, right? You can say work upon time or energy upon time. It is because you know work and energy are same. Here energy upon time. Then clearly P can be written W by T or energy by T or F into S by T. Here you know W and energy both F into S is equal to, if we have kinetic energy by time, then this is also power, or mgh by time, this also. There may be so many formulation about the power, right? And it is clearly unit joule per second. Joule per second. Here joule per second, it is known as watt. This is known as watt after the name of great physicist James Watt sir, right? Its power is taken watt. Now this is the simple and brief about the work energy power, and very soon just I am meeting with the new video with new content, new topic, and till that time once again just I am wishing you very happy new year, and meeting with you same very soon. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Bye bye.